Wellham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
Now this is actually, you know, you've been seeing different odds and bods for our diamond, well, for my diamond painting I've been doing, but so we decided to do it monthly basically.
Yep.
Obviously, you know, Coasters key rings and such will be a different entity anyway, but these are for the normal diamond painting that I do each month. Now obviously, depending on how many I do or how long they can turn. So we've got quite a few for this one because we've got some ones that were over.
But March.
In case you didn't know, this is Molly May. Now Molly May is...
Boofles.
She is, but she doesn't come out very much.
No.
You know, I mean, she likes food.
Yeah.
She's a big girl. She's our only Syrian hamster.
Yeah.
And she can be a little neurotic sometimes, guys, but she is lovely. Yeah. So we thought, well, as she's out, I'll do my start-up. So these diamond paintings were done during March, although, as I said, there would have been more of them. And it depends on really how it goes. So, oh, even giving you Mummy's favourite. They're behind you. He's also giving you some of his hair. There you go. Right, my lovelies. So, let's get drilling. So here is our little mouse in his sunflower.
He's yawning.
Now, this was never going to be particularly good detail. It's supposed to be 20 by 20. It's 15 by 15 in the actual picture because I've cut off the surround bit. But yeah, the further away he goes, the better he gets. Yeah. Which is fine. I mean, for a 20 by 20 actually...
Or 15 by 15.
15 by 15. I actually was really pleased with how this turned out.
Yeah, he's not bad.
He isn't bad at all. Very cute. So happy days. Now let's see what's drilling next. Right, guys. So... Okay, it didn't take me long.
It's only a part drill one, but he is very... Look at that face. Look at that mush. Look at him, look at him, look at him.
It does go, because I've got... You might have noticed, but I have got a thing about hamsters, mice, rats. Yeah. You know, I do love them. And they're so cute. Yeah. And look at his toots.
He's going to be a big mouse.
He is. He's so cute. But yeah, I mean, you know, it had to be done. I saw it. It was so cute. I actually ended up with 2 of these. I've got to check, though, because I haven't come across the other one yet. But I've got a sneaking suspicion that the other one's full drill and not sparkly. So if that is the case... if and when I come to it, I will come to it. It's just, you know, so it may not be in this, well, it probably won't be in this segment because that'd be a bit daft. But yeah, super cute, super sparkly, and lots of fun. And if you're a beginner or you don't want to do long-winded ones, this is the sort that's ideal. So, yeah. Right, on to the next. So there you go. That's the fireworks phoenix, as I call it.
Yeah.
Done. Darren's not keen. I like the colours.
Yeah.
Personally.
It looks better on the camera because it's done as being further away. And
it's very pretty.
Yeah.
It twinkles. Right, so on to the next. Right guys, so this is part of my book 1 collection.
Yeah.
I know I could have put it in mushroom collection, I could have put it in spring or probably summer, but
Yeah. Let's see all that.
it's,
Oh, the sparkly sparkle.
so pretty. And say, I've got to say, I believe there are only 11 colours. I could be wrong. But wowza.
Yeah.
It's really well, the colours are really well separated. Sometimes they choose to block things together and it doesn't work so well, but this really is gorgeous.
Yeah.
And if you're wondering what I do with these, we've got glass windows on all of our doors, and I get Darren to change them round. Basically, it just adds a bit of sparkle and a bit of life to the flat.
Yeah.
Right, so let's see what else we're going to drill today. Guys, so this is the last one that was done in March, and it's a beautiful beach scene one.
Yeah.
And so if you're wondering why bits have been cut off, like the top corner is because I keep a register of what I've done. When there's a picture, I do keep a wee picture, and I've got it all put lovely in a book somewhere. And this bit here is for when I use the codes, basically, so that's why you get that on some of these. But what we'll do with this is we'll trim it down. Either it'll go into a temporary frame one, or it might just decorate the flat, but that's what a lot of them do. So that's it for Marches. So let's wait and see what we do. Right, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed them. Let me know what your favourites are. And as always, be different, a very merry unhoo-hoo, and absolutely unheard of Molly May Boop.